If it wasn't bad enough, after San Bernardino deputies fatally shot 15-year-old autistic Ryan Gaynor, look at his mother. They were telling her she has to leave her own home, and they pushed her out of her wheelchair, and she ended up on the ground. Now watch what deputies do. This is after her 15-year-old was just killed. Watch how they pick her up. Now, what you must know is Sharon, Ryan Gaynor's mother, recently had a medical condition that caused her to lose feeling on half of her body and has seizures. Now look at how they carry her out. These deputies wouldn't carry an animal out this way. They're carrying her out like she's a mattress. This is absolutely disgusting. Now watch this. Watch her. Watch. Watch what happens here. San Bernardino deputies. This is disgusting. They then took her, and watch what they do now. They bring her into a patrol car where they detained her and Rebecca Gaynor for hours. For hours after killing a 15-year-old who was autistic and needing help. This is how they carry the mother who just had her son assassinated by the San Bernardino deputies. This is outrageous to have this happen after the worst thing happening. We need to know the deputies' names responsible for Ryan's death and release all body cam footage now.